Good morning, students. I am Ms. Ankita, your social science teacher for class 6. Today, I will be continuing with the history period and we will see the 4 written records. Okay, 4 types of written records which gives us the evidence for the history period. Okay, so now let us continue. So now let us continue with the topic history period, that is literary and documentary sources, that is written sources, the period for which there is complete evidence in written form. Okay, a handwritten record of an event is called manuscript. As I told you all that a handwritten record for a particular event is called manuscript. Okay, the first written script was in a form of a picture which is known as pictogram. Okay, writings in the form of a picture is also known as pictogram, and the another word for this is cuneiform writing. Its very first form was developed in Mesopotamia, that is modern Iraq, okay, between 3200 to 2800 BC, that is before Christ. It was called the cuneiform writing. Okay, it was where was it being first developed? It was developed in Mesopotamia, that is modern Iraq. Okay, now see, please learn all the definitions. Okay, in the ancient times, learned people wrote on. Learned people means educated people. Okay, on stones, clay tablets. They used to write on stones. Then they made tablets with the clay tablet form. Then dried leaves of trees like the Bhojpatra of India. This is the example which dry leaves they used to write. Okay, and the parchments, that is, what is parchments? That is the skin of goat or sheep. Even in the skin of goat and sheep, they used to write their all the history about the particular events which were being held at that particular time. Written record of ancient India can be divided broadly into following categories. There are 4 basic categories for the written record of ancient India. Okay, first one, religious and secular texts, then memoirs, then chronicles, then travelogues and accounts of foreigners. Okay, now see the first one, religious and secular text. The 4 Vedas, namely the Rig Veda, please mark what are the 4 Vedas? Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda and Athar Veda. This is important. Of the early Vedic period are very important written source of ancient history. Okay, from that we have come to know many things, the lifestyle, the different cultures, and where do the people live and what all events happened at that particular period is been known through these 4 Vedas. Okay, now Brahmanas, Aryanakas and the Upanishads are the expansion of the Vedas. Okay, you have to mark these. Ramayana and Mahabharata, you all know Ramayana and Mahabharata throws a flood of light on later Vedic age. Okay, now rites and rituals, customs and traditions and the value system of that period, these are very useful source of reconstructing history of ancient India. Yes, this is very much true that through these holy books we have come to know about very useful sources, the living styles, the customs, the rituals, the traditions, the value system which were being usually seen in that particular period, that is the history period. Students, in the very next video I will be continuing with the point religious and secular text, and we will then complete this chapter. Okay, and then we'll do the objectives. Okay, thank you.